Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are about to discuss the much debated topic in the software development world, that is Python versus Node.js. Maybe you are a student or a professional who might be planning to start or build your own project with one of these technologies. So are you confused about which one you should choose for developing a software? Or which one is more relevant or suitable to scale your project? Then let's break it down. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम जानेंगे पाइथन के बारे में.
अगर हम पाइथन की बात करें तो बेसिकली पाइथन इज a high level interpreted programming language which was introduced in 1991. पता है पाइथन की कुछ खास बात है like its simplicity and readability. That's why it is becoming most favorite programming language among beginners and as well as professionals. It also can be used for the web development but mainly ये use होती है for the machine learning, data science, automation and even for game development. Do you know why people are loving it? मार्केट में और भी बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस हैं which can be used for a software development. But what are the reasons to love Python? तो इसकी reasons ये है कि easy to learn है. Because of clean syntax and readability जिससे beginners को easily समझ में आ जाती है. Vast libraries. There are tons of pre-built libraries which can save you time. Cross platform. Python एक बहुत ही versatile language है which can run on Windows, Mac and Linux machines. Strong community. Whatever resources or libraries we need are easily available.
Now let's talk about Node.js.
Node.js is not a programming language like Python, but rather a runtime environment for running JavaScript on the server side. It was introduced in 2009 and उसके बाद से backend development में एक revolution ला दिया इसने. Because इससे पहले JavaScript front-end development के लिए ही यूज हो रही थी. It was the first time कि अब हम JavaScript को backend development के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं. No doubt, Node.js is incredibly fast, built on Google Chrome Vue.js engine, which is widely used for creating scalable and real-time application. अब इसका क्या मतलब है scalable and real-time? Scalable application वो होती है जो कि डिमांड और क्लाइंट रिक्वेस्ट इंक्रीज होने पर भी सेम परफॉर्मेंस दे, और रियल टाइम एप्लीकेशन वो होती है जो कि रियल टाइम डेटा दे सके, like trading app or chat application. Big companies like LinkedIn, Netflix and Uber are using Node.js.
As we understood why people are loving Python. But what are the reasons for Node.js which attracts developer? So my dear friends, there are few points about the Node.js like
Non-blocking event-driven architecture. Actually, Node.js is designed for high performance and real-time applications. Full stack development. अगर आपको JavaScript आती है तो by learning some set of things you can start backend development as well. NPM library support. There are thousands of libraries and modules which are provided by NPM and easily can be installed to extend our project. Scalability. Node.js is capable in handling multiple concurrent requests through event loops.
now let's see their individual performance.
अगर हम Node.js की बात करें तो it is faster for real-time applications due to its event-driven architecture and non-blocking input-output operations. It can handle multiple concurrent requests. That's why it is more ideal for chat apps, live streaming. But Python के केस में ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. It is not fast as Node.js, but undoubtedly it performs well for CPU-bound tasks such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, data processing, and scientific computations.
So if your project involves a lot of real-time interactions like chat apps, live streaming, then definitely you can go for Node.js. But अगर आपका project ऐसा है which involves artificial intelligence, data science, and data analysis, then Python can be a best choice. When it comes to the scalability, both Node.js and Python can handle large scale applications. But for both, there are different areas. किसी में Node.js बेस्ड है, किसी में Python बेस्ड है. दोनों के अपने अपने लेवल्स हैं, दोनों की अपनी अपनी लिमिटेशंस हैं. But Node.js is more suited for the scalable network applications, जहाँ पे हमें बहुत सारे simultaneous connections handle करने होते हैं. Python can also scale, but will require more fine-tuning to achieve the same scalability for the web applications, जो कि Node.js में हम easily achieve कर सकते हैं, because it supports single-threaded approach and event-driven architecture. चलिए अब बात करते हैं इनके ecosystem and libraries की, where Python has PyPI with over 3 lakh packages, covering everything from machine learning, AI to web scripting. Node.js has NPM, the largest package registry in the world, with over 1 million packages. So both have massive ecosystem, but again there is the same question कि आपके बजट की रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है. If you are working in a data science, machine learning, then Python has more specialized libraries. और अगर आप scalable software development करना चाहते हैं, then Node.js provides more real-time features. Now let's talk about the use cases of Python and Node.js. अभी तक आपको इतना तो समझ में आ गया होगा कि Python और Node.js है क्या. But what are the use cases? What we can build with the help of Python and Node.js? So let's find out. सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं Python से.
Python is using for web development with the frameworks like Django and Flask. Data science and machine learning with the libraries like TensorFlow and Pandas. For doing automation and scripting. And Node.js is useful for real-time chat applications like chat apps and gaming server. For building API services like RESTful APIs and GraphQL. For building microservices architecture.
Now the question is, what should you choose? Well, it depends on कि जो प्रोजेक्ट आप प्लान कर रहे हैं उसका गोल क्या है. What features you want to include in your software? आपके प्रोजेक्ट की नीड क्या है? If you need high scalability and real-time performance, then Node.js is a clear winner. But if you are focusing on data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computations, then absolutely Python is the best option. But remember, कोई भी ऐसी लैंग्वेज नहीं है जिसके थ्रू हम सब टाइप के डेवलपमेंट कर सकें. आपको अपने प्रोजेक्ट के नीड्स स्पेसिफाई करनी होगी. देन यू कैन गो फॉर कि Node.js यूज करनी है या Python. Thank you for watching. I hope this breakdown of Node.js versus Python helps you to make a more informed decision for whatever project you are planning to build. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon for the more tech comparisons and coding contents. Comment करके जरूर बताना which one you prefer the most, Node.js or Python, and why. See you in the next video. Bye bye.